Hi, let me show you how to set alarm on iPhone. And firstly, go ahead and open Clock app and make sure to select Alarm section on the bottom of the display. So right now, to create new alarm, you just need to click on this plus on top, and now we can customize it. So firstly, set the right time by swiping up or down like that. So select the right time, for example 5:30 a.m. Now we need to go in repeat, and let's say I want this alarm to ring only on my work days. So from Monday to Friday. Now we can label this alarm, so name it. I'm gonna name it as work. And then pick its sound. So here you'll see many different options for this sound. These are default options. Also, there is available classic version. And also you can pick a song if you have any songs installed in your Apple Music. And also you can go in Tone Store and buy any song from here. Then we can go in haptics and change vibration, even create our custom one or disable vibration. And also in the sound you can disable sound by clicking none, but in that case you will not hear any sounds when your alarm will be on, just haptics. Now we can also enable or disable snooze and save everything by clicking orange button save. Here you'll see this active alarm. You can disable it temporarily from here and enable manually when you will need to run this alarm. Also, to delete it, just swipe it left and click on delete option. And to customize it, for example, change time, just select it again. And as we did before, customize it. So that's it for today. If this video is helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.